Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to control who can see your online status on Facebook using a PC. With Facebook's latest update, managing your privacy has never been easier. Let's dive right in. First, open Facebook on your browser and log into your account. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top right corner of the screen and click on the Messenger icon. This is where all your chats are located. Next, in the Messenger drop-down menu, find and click on the three dots icon. This will open additional settings. From here, select Active Status. A new window will appear that allows you to customize your online visibility. Now, locate the option labeled On for some and click on Edit. This is where you can choose who can see when you're active online. You'll be presented with options to include or exclude specific people from viewing your active status. Once you've made your selection, click Save. But wait, there's one more step. You'll need to confirm your choice by selecting the overall visibility option that works best for you. Choose from the available options, then click Save again to finalize your settings. And that's it. You've successfully customized who can see your online status on Facebook. Whether you want to stay visible to close friends or maintain a bit more privacy, these steps give you full control over your online presence. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.